In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze more than one row in Excel. This is really useful when you're working with large spreadsheets and you keep losing track of your headers as you scroll down. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to lock multiple rows in place so they're always visible, no matter how far you scroll. Let's start by opening your Excel file. Take a second to look at your sheet and identify which rows you want to keep visible at the top. Most of the time, this will be your header rows, like titles, categories, or filters that help you understand the data below. Here's the key idea. Excel freezes everything above the active cell. So instead of looking for a special Freeze Multiple Rows button, what you actually do is select the right cell and then apply the freeze. For example, if you want to freeze the first 3 rows, you need to click on the cell in the 4th row, in column A. That would be cell A4. In general, think of it this way. Click on the first cell directly under the last row you want to freeze. Everything above that cell will stay locked in place. Once you've selected the correct cell, go to the top of Excel and click on the View tab. This is where all the options for controlling how your worksheet is displayed are grouped together. In the View tab, look for the Freeze Panes drop-down. When you click it, you'll usually see 3 options: Freeze Panes, Freeze Top Row, and Freeze First Column. We're not going to choose Freeze Top Row because that only locks a single row. Instead, click on the main Freeze Panes option at the top of that menu. As soon as you do this, Excel will freeze every row above your selected cell. Now try scrolling down your sheet. You should see that all the rows you wanted to keep visible stay fixed at the top, while the rest of the data moves underneath them. If you picked the wrong spot, don't worry. Just go back to the View tab, open the Freeze Panes menu, choose Unfreeze Panes, then click the correct cell and apply Freeze Panes again. This works the same way if you also want to freeze columns, as long as you position your active cell correctly. That's all there is to it. You now know how to freeze more than one row in Excel, so your headers stay visible while you work.